Here is how to see volume on eToro step by step. Start by opening the asset you want to analyze. In eToro, use the search function to find a stock, cryptocurrency, or any other available asset you want to review. Once you find the right result, select it to open that asset's page. Make sure you choose the correct instrument before moving forward, especially if several assets have similar names. After the asset page is open, move to the Chart tab. This opens the price chart for that asset, which is where you can add technical indicators and examine trading activity over time. If the chart takes a moment to load, wait for it to finish so the toolbar and chart controls appear fully. With the chart visible, look for the indicators icon on the chart toolbar and click it. This opens the indicators panel where you can search through the available tools that can be added to the chart. The panel may contain many options, so using the search field helps narrow the results quickly. In the search box inside the indicators panel, type volume. As you enter the name, the matching indicator should appear in the list. This is the indicator used to display trading activity beneath the main price chart, showing how much volume occurred during each period shown on the chart. When volume appears in the results, select it to add it to the chart. After you click it, the indicator will be placed below the price chart in its own section. You should now see a row of vertical bars that represent trading volume for each chart period. If you do not see the bars right away, give the chart a moment to update. Now you can view the trading volume directly on the chart. Each bar corresponds to the amount of activity during a specific period, and comparing those bars helps you see when trading activity was higher or lower. This can be useful when you are reviewing price movement and want to compare it with how active the market was at the same time. To adjust how that data is displayed, change the chart time frame. Select a different time frame option to view volume by minute, hour, day, or another available interval. As you switch between time frames, the volume bars update to match that view, so you can compare short-term and longer-term trading activity using the same indicator. Once the time frame is set to the interval you want, you can continue reviewing the chart with volume shown below the price action. The volume indicator is now visible on your eToro chart and set to the time frame you selected.